mouth wide and say, ah. Open your mouth, nigga.
Well, what we have here
Is a failure to recompensate. Hold this. Hold the damn gun! Don't jerk your head. Got a hair trigger. William Dollar. You own the Players Club. You borrowed $60,000 from St. Louis. You haven't made one payment yet.
Mr. St. Louis is coming to your club, and he wants a payment of $10,000.
And if you don't pay him, he don't pay me, and I'm gonna take that real personal, and I'm gonna come and get you.
I'm supposed to get some pussy tonight. You make that payment. Only listen for the pop. Maybe I should just...
Bam!
No.
It's gonna be a pop, fool.